Welcome to Yeeflow Form Report tutorial. In this video, we will introduce two methods to export data: exporting all data in the form report and exporting selected records. Let's start with the business trip form report that needs to be exported. First, navigate to the form report page and click the Export button, located at the top right corner. A slider window will appear on the right side of the page. Click the Start Export button at the top of the slider window. This action will bring up the Export to Excel pop-up window. The fields that are included in the current data view are selected automatically. You have the option to include more fields in your export file. Simply check the boxes next to the desired fields in the left side list, and they will be added to the Selected Fields list on the right side of the window. Conversely, you can also remove selected fields if you do not want them in your export file. To rearrange the order of the fields, click and drag the icon in front of each selected field. After adjusting the selected fields, click the Export button at the bottom of the window to start exporting the form report data. Once you initiate the export, a new export record will appear in the Export Data Slider window. The status will be displayed as exporting. When the export operation is finished, a download link will appear within this export record. You can click on this link to download your exported data as a local Excel file. If you only want to export specific records from the form report, Yeeflow provides the functionality to do so. In the form report, select the checkboxes next to the records you want to export. You can choose multiple records. Once your records are selected, click the Export button at the top right of the form report page. The process for managing fields, initiating the export, and downloading the Excel file remains consistent with the steps outlined for exporting all data. Remember, your ability to export data depends on your access permissions. Make sure you have the necessary rights before attempting to export data from a form report. Exporting data from a form report can be a powerful tool in your Yeeflow workflow, allowing you to manipulate and analyze your data from offline. Thanks for joining us on this tutorial. Stay tuned for more Yeeflow tutorials to enhance your form report capabilities.